What I got from the Jade Circle with Anamarta were many things, many layers. There were kind of the layer of the physical, spiritual, emotional. It was a very safe holding, beautiful workshop. It was just fantastic, and it has been every time. It's just brilliant. So there was an insight into my own sensuality, my sexuality, my womanhood, how to use the Jade Egg. Anamarta as a teacher, she's a brilliant facilitator. She's very sensitive, very kind, and it's on all levels. It's the emotional, physical, spiritual level. Not only the Taoist practices, but really connecting with you as a woman. She connects with you on a really good level. Practice is fabulous, a must for all women. As a mature woman, I found it really beneficial, physically, mentally, emotionally. It's been a very sacred practice, a great blessing. Anamarta's teachings have been fantastic. Yeah, very holistic, very feminine. How to manifest their sensuality and their sexuality, because it's not something that's given to us naturally in most other practices. It's really enjoyable, it's fun, it's uplifting. There's so many elements to it. I would strongly recommend it, and I do strongly recommend it to all my friends and family.